Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do some solo queuing in 4v4. You know, I just recorded a video with Vyvin, but the recording got corrupted. I don't know why, but the recording stopped mid video and his power got cut. So yeah, let's go on with some 4v4. We are here in our first game. Just so you know that I'm not in a party. You're not in a party. And by the way, I'm using one second resource pack. I'm using time Dios pack. I really like this. I like all the packs that I get. I hope I get a good team. Oh no, I instantly see that he's gonna slow bridge. Oh no. Anyway, I was like once like that. I can see. I bridge. No, I'm not gonna do anything. You know what? I do not care if my teammates are noobs. I'm just gonna bridge to the this thing. By the way, I'm using crosshair modifier because I do not like big crosshairs like in this pack. So excuse me if you think like this is the pack. I'm not sure if I'll put the link. You can see Target 3D's gaming video if you want to get the pack. I do not know how to get it. I do not get it. Yeah. How did I kill me? Okay, he had a stone sword. I guess that was a stone sword. No, I'm gonna do videos in different packs from now on. I'm not gonna use my pack because that is not completely done yet. I have to, and I am doing a second pack. I like default edits, and I'm doing a default edit pack of my pack. I wanted to place a block, but I did not. Oh, how did I kill him? I have bad CPS, like literal bad CPS. I could have block clutch, but I did not. He suicided me. That was actually he was. Oof. Do not say anything, Prem. I was once like that. I always bought Iron Forge. Okay. If I saw my trying to win challenge in Bed Wars, I always bought Iron Forge. If you did not know, I know, sad. I was bad at that time. Okay, I was like level 10 or 20. Now I'm like level 67 almost actually. If you do not believe me, I can speed bridge. Aha! I did not lose any hearts on fall damage. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Clutch! I walked off. By the way, I was just doing a video with Vyvin. I was talking about me being clumsy. Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. Like I walk off because I am nervous and I want to show off my clutching clutch skills or whatever that is. Yeah. Oh no, yellow is fighting blue. I think yellow might come for us. Should I go for yellow? Oh, I took 4 damage. I'm gonna kill you, buddy. I know you have M's. M's should not be with you. You think you? Oh no, I lost. I could have gotten him. He could have been my final kill if I had not messed up my jumps. No, I should quit whining. Come to me. If your friend leaves, I can take 1v1s. I think I can. I'm just waiting here to heal. I have iron armor. You do not. You do not. Like that person has, but he's in the shop, and I think he has an iron sword. Yes, that's an iron sword. You have a stone sword. Yeah, come to me on a bridge. Oh, he's pre-gapping. Great. Now there are only 2 blues left, and they were at 21. Yeah, come to me. Come here. Now what? I'm gonna mess up. Oh no, there's an invis. There's an invis. Oh, I killed one, but I did not kill the other. I think he was invis. Yeah, he bought invis. Oh great. I have the best teammates. Oh, I have a fireball. What can I do with a fireball? You know what, I'm not gonna use it like a normal person. I'm gonna fireball jump. Aha! I killed him! Ah. See, fireballs should be removed. I take my words back. FB should be removed. You need glass. Why do you need glass? Oh yeah, you need glass because you all are noobs. You do not know how to play Bed Wars. I don't know. I blocked at myself. That is the quality content you are looking for in my channel. Quality content like blocking yourself and falling in the void and TNT jumping. Yeah, I'm gonna TNT jump again. I do not know why. I really like to TNT jump. No, I did not do it properly. Yeah, I had my head blocked. Yeah. At least someone who knows what is sharpens for and who does not take our this thing for granted. Oh, come on! Oh, great. I have useless teammates who do not know how to defend the way and they know only to block trap the teammates. I need some ladders. Thank you very much. I need a lot of them, like millions of them. And it's time for the primary school jitter bridge. Nope, that is not it. So bad. You know, I'm still learning to jitter bridge. I'm not jitter clicking exactly, but I have to learn, right? I have to take my time, learn, and until I do it really well. Oh, I got scared. I thought he was, you know, a yellow player, which okay, I could not block up that and almost jumped off. And by the way, guys, I remember I used to have auto jump. I could have block clutched. Oh, I always try to block clutch, but I fail because I, you know, do too late. I'm going to go with no blocks. None of my teammates are here. I'm gonna buy. I cannot buy anything. I will keep these in the chest and I'll take that. I'm gonna stay here for. Oh, I have 10 gold. I'm gonna buy an iron sword. Oh, almost bought that. Oh, we have Maniac Miner. And why not it's a trap? Because I do not know what to do. Give me that. I'm gonna buy the following things with that. 32 ladders and a lot of blocks. I don't know what. You want me to help? You know what, I'm gonna break this block until my pickaxe break. You know, I'll get a gold pickaxe. You know what happens, like in this version 1.8, you know, there is a durability at least whenever I use it. So wait, so if I get a gold pickaxe, wait, let me get one more. Yeah, I can get a gold pickaxe. Wait, say that I'm breaking this block. I'm breaking the block. See, the durability is going down. See that in the hot bar. Wait for it. Wait for it. By the way, oh yeah, see it is gone. I cannot see it, but others can see it. If you click it, it'll come back. Is an iron sword better? No, it's a sharpness 2. I'll use my sword. Swords are better because and I can block it. I cannot block it. No, I need some good stuff. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'm gonna take. Oh, give me that blocks. Give me that blocks. Thank you. I'm gonna need another fireball. I'm gonna try to ladder clutch. That's how you do it. You one tap and split that shit. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make this thing so that I do not get knocked off. I should have gotten a knockback stick, KB stick. You know, I have not yet achieved the achievement where like you have to knock 5 people in the void with a KB stick. I have not achieved that yet. Okay, that lots of gaps. I'm not being selfish. I'm being a team player by buying that. You can take that. I kept you that. Yep. I'm gonna use a knockback stick. That's my get defender. What the heck is? Oh, you mean Iron Golem? Yep. I got stuck. I'll update you if anything happens. Update, guys. Nothing has happened in the past 10 or 20 seconds. You know what? I'm gonna go to the emeralds and get some emeralds. I might die there, but I do not care. Update, guys. They have a nether portal, which means they do not have obby, which means I can, you know, get ends, get pots and, you know, pearl easily. I'll update if that happens. Update, I'm getting emeralds and this is gonna be a long game. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take that. There's someone there. I think I can take that. Ooh, I think that's a golem. Yeah. That did not happen, did it? Oh yeah, that's earrings. And anyway, thank to, you know, see you later, guys. I'm so sad.